wait, sorry guys, yung nakalimutan ko i-press yung record. Saan na? Okay. Example number 3, let's now move on to algebra. So, a farmer has two types of feed. One is 12% protein, and the other one is 20% protein. Now, how many kilograms of each type should he mix to get 100 kilograms of feed? That is 50% protein. Now, saan ito nagpo-fall na problems? Ayan, sa mixture problems na. Again, nung diniscuss ko kanina, kapag kapag magsasolve tayo ng mga mixtures problems, ang pinakagusto ko na method is yung magdodraw ka mismo. If gusto mo i-visualize, again for me, ito yung kinasanayan ko nung pero pwede ko naman ata ito i-direct sub kung maiintindihan mo. Pero kung gusto mo talaga mag-grasp yung in-depth na niya, mag-draw ka ng So, ang sabi dito, may dalawa siyang feed. So, ilagay natin na, si feed number 1, gawin natin ng red. And si feed number 2, which is in blue. So, ang natin dyan, pwede natin ilagay muna yung is equal to the, yung gusto natin, yung kulay green. Okay? So, isipin muna natin na what muna natin yung sa protein na part. So, meron tayong 12% protein plus 20% protein is equal to, ang gusto natin makuha is 15% na protein. Ayun lang, lagay lang natin doon. Next naman, hindi natin alam kung ilan kilograms ng bawat isa para makahalo tayo ng 100 kilograms. So, pwede nating sabihin doon, let's say yung first type ng protein, which is the 12%, want natin na i-label siya as X. As independent variable siya. Again, pwede naman siya, i-assume natin na hindi sila same. Kasi, given from the fact na yung 12% protein, mas mababa kaysa 20% protein, imposible na magiging same sila na value. So, yung X, pwede natin sabihin na as the first type or sa first kilograms ng protein. Next naman is yung sa, second type ng protein na 20%. We can label that as Y na So, technically, kapag ilan natin yan, 12% of X plus the 20% of Y must be equal to the 50% ng ng protein na which has a total of 100 kilograms. Okay naman, bini-breakdown ko sa inyo para mas maintindihan nyo. So from the figure itself, pwede tayo makabuo ng dalawang equations. Again, kapag maghahanap tayo ng mga parang, if may dalawa kang variable, if we want, or may dalawa kang unknowns na magkaiba, ang kailangan mo palagi is dalawang equations. Again, very linear siya. Linear in nature, like, if ang kulang mo ay isang variable, kailangan mo lang ng isang equation. If dalawa ang kulang mo, kailangan mo ng dalawang equations. So, pwede tayo mag-formulate doon. So, pag sinabi daw nila, again, ang sabi doon sa tanong, how many kilograms of each type should he mix? So, technically, kapag maghahanap tayo ng parang isang feed, yung isang feed at isang pangalawang feed, dapat equal to 100 sila. So, that is, X plus Y should be equal to 100. That is equation number 1. Now, equation number 2 naman, medyo dito ka muna mag-iisip. So, nakuha na natin yung sa bandang kilograms na part. So, binigyan naman din tayo sa percentage of protein. Paano natin siya mai-utilize? So, ang idea dyan, again, gusto ng farmer, yung isang part ng protein and the second part ng protein should be equal to the 15%. Gets naman? So, pwede natin idea dito or ma-formalize na the 12% of something, o yung first feed, plus the 20% of Y, if times lang natin yan sila both, hindi natin pag-a-add, if times lang nila, should be equal to the 15% nung 100. So, kapag sinimplify mo siya, it is just 15. Okay? Nakakuha naman lahat, guys. Okay. So, next naman, pwede natin i-simplify yan. So, we have the first equation, x plus y is equal to 100. And 0.12x plus 0.20y is equal to 15. So, we already have our two equations and two unknowns na mga pwede natin i-simplify. Now, pwede kang pwede mong manu-manuhin, pwede mong i-manual, solve to, like using system of linear equations by deduction or by additives. Nakadepende na yun sa'yo. Pero let's say, if ever man na may calculator ka, kasi same lang naman din kasi lalabas nito, pupunta tayo sa equation mode ng mga ating mga calculators. Napupunta tayo sa equation mode, ang hahanapin natin is yung two unknowns na part. Kapag pinindot mo yon, ang lalabas sa'yo is yung parang a matrix system. Nakalagay sa taas A, B, C, like naka-indicate dito kanina nga. So, ang ilalagay lang natin dyan, i-input natin is yung mga coefficients of each term. So, sa first na equation, we have 1 as x, we have 1 naman sa y, and yung parang last na sa equal sign is just 100. Next naman, 12%, 0.12, second one, 0.20, 20%, and the last one is just 50% ng 115. Ayan. I-press mo lang yung equals. Ang lalabas kagad sa'yo, simultaneously lalabas yan, x is just equal to 62.5 kilograms and y is equal to 37.5 kilograms. Now, paano mo malalaman kung tama ka o hindi? Now, ang first na condition natin dapat yan, ang iluluwa dapat ng x and y should be equal to kung ano yung hinahanap. So, di ba, x plus y, 62.5 plus 37.5 is just equal to 100. So, tama naman na ayun yung natin. Okay naman, nakuha naman, guys. Mabilis ba akong magsalita? Or okay naman? Okay naman, sige.